Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to repair fallen bricks. Basically not fallen but half damaged, something like this or like that. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is you want to apply some glue, which I already did, but I'll show you. Okay, same with this one. I'll let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you want to prepare your mortar. I'm using the Sika repair, but essentially you just need to have this concrete repair mortar. So I have this little bit, and I also added some glue to this mortar, and yeah, I already repaired some of them. I'm gonna show you how I do that one. So next what you want to have is this trowel, and the most important, this trowel, it's concrete edging trowel, but it's very helpful for the bricks. Then what we're gonna do is just start applying this guy like that. You can apply little by little. See, I'm trying to show you, so it's a little bit harder when you do that. And you try to make sure it sticks to the edges. That's important. Yeah. Now, once you have it shaped well and attached to the existing brick, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and just start edging. So I'm gonna do something like that, like that. Okay. And now here. And the same here. Actually, it's easy to do that way. Okay, and next, gently remove the excess of your mortar. Now, you also want to smooth a little bit the edges at the top, at the bottom, like that. Just gently, so you don't detach it from the brick. Okay. And then here you go. That's your brick. Now, you might be thinking that's the end, but not. You want a perfect result. So get that foam brush, get a little bit of water, and I have water with some glue that I had in the past. Just wet it a little bit, and whenever you have some imperfections or somewhere you want to smooth things, just go and do that. Do not over water your brush. It just has to be at the end of your brush. Yeah, so now we're talking. That's the brick, and I'm gonna paint it white to match some of those and call it a day. Alright, guys, as usual, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and thanks for watching. Cheers.